And Orlando police called an alleged serial rapist was released from jail just a couple of months before being arrested in a new case.
His name is Vincent Lang, and at least 6 women, most of them in Central Florida, have come forward claiming that he attacked them. WESH 2 News investigative reporter Greg Fox explains why he was let out of jail in the face of these charges and allegations.
Vincent Lang faced a judge in Palm Beach County charged with sexual battery of a 41-year-old woman with a deadly weapon. It came after a brief amount of freedom. Lang was arrested last summer for 2 different alleged rapes in June and August in the same apartment complex near Orlando's Metro West community. He allegedly used a knife. The prosecution in the June rape case was dropped by the state attorney's office for lack of evidence, which had Lang seeking and gaining his freedom in February. The state could have requested what's called an Arthur hearing to keep Lang locked up without bond, but chose not to.
So Arthur hearing requires some proof, evidence, presumption great. That's what the Constitution says, which is something above and beyond a reasonable doubt. So we didn't have that evidence at the time to hold him on an Arthur hearing. That's why we're asking still, based on what we knew about him, that for a high bond of $250,000.
Instead, the judge ordered a $125,000 bond for Lang, setting him free just 2 months before he allegedly struck again in Palm Beach County. Lang's attorney told WESH 2 News the court decision then was the right decision.
The state should not base their decision on holding someone in jail by the presumption that someone's going to commit a crime when they get out.
According to the Orlando Police Department, OPD has provided at least 5 cases involving Lang to the Office of State Attorney Andrew Bain. Bain promises to do what he can to put Lang away.
We're after this guy. We really want him off the streets. He's a really dangerous individual, and we want to make sure that we're going to be able to hold him accountable.
The state attorney has filed a motion to revoke Vincent Lang's bond. He's set to be in court in Orange County May 29th for the alleged rape of a woman last August. Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.